Hi, Mr. Unkert here, and in this video, we're going to show you how to align your text. One other thing I think I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to make an external style sheet. External style sheets are really good if you want to keep the style the same throughout the website and don't have to have these style tags at the head of each of your HTML documents. So if you want to change something, change the color of the footer or change the color of the header throughout the website, you can just make one change and it'll change it throughout. So I'm going to copy all this. Okay. And hit Control X. And then here I'm going to create a new folder. And I'm going to call it CSS. Some people might call it assets, something like that. I usually just call it CSS. And then within that folder, I'm going to create a file called style.css. Okay. And then I'm going to hit Control V to paste all my CSS in there. Okay. And then Control S to save that. And then instead of these style tags, cool thing about Emmet is I can type link, hit tab, and it gives me a link. The relation is a style sheet, and now I just have to type in the path, which is css/style.css. Okay, so now I have that coming in. Okay, so now we've got our external style sheet. Now we can start to align text. So we've got all these things we're doing with the text, all these colors, the way we're transforming it, but let's say we wanted to align the text to the left. So I'm going to create a class called left. And then in that class, I'm going to type text-align and left. Now this probably isn't going to change anything because the text is normally aligned to the left, but that is how you would do it. Let's create another class called right. And here we'll have the text align to the center. Okay. We're also going to create a class called center, or whatever you want to name it, whatever helps you remember it. But we're going to type text-align and then center. This is going to, oops. For the right, I actually typed center. I made a mistake. Sorry, I typed right for the right alignment. And then we're also going to create a class called justify. And we'll type text-align and then justify. Okay, so now we can use those classes. All right, so now that we've updated our style sheet and saved that, let's go back here and include some of that for our paragraphs. Now here's our website as we left it in the last video. Okay, let's take this first paragraph and let's add the class of right. So after large font, I'm going to do a space and then right, and hit Control S. And it's going to align to the right. Now, let's take this next paragraph. We'll do left, and nothing really is going to change with this. We're going to hit Control and save, and that's just going to stay where it is. Okay. In this next paragraph, the one that has the strike through in it, we're going to center it. So we're going to do a space and then click center. Hit Control and save. And you'll see that this text here has been centered. All right, and let's use justify in this class that's underlined. So we'll skip the overline because that was a short paragraph, and we're going to type justify. Hit Control S. So this underline one is now going to justify, and what that does, you'll see that every line except the last line is expanded so it goes all the way across the page. Okay, you don't have these gaps like you do in the blue paragraph. The last line is the only one that starts at the left and then just ends where it ends. But every line except the last line will go all the way across. So that's a way to style your text. I hope this gives you some ideas. You now, after watching this video, should know how to create your external style sheet. You should also now be able to align your text either left, right, in the center, or to justify your text. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if you're interested in more web development and design tips, please visit webdevinstruction.com. I'll leave a link to that in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.